In this video, we will try to solve the system x squared plus 3x minus y plus 2 equals 0 and y minus 5x equals 1. Pag sinabing we're going to solve the system, basically you're going to solve for the points na kapag sinubstitute mo dito sa first equation, tama. Pag sinubstitute mo sa second equation, tama din. So, hanap tayo ng solution na tama din sa parehas. Or, kapag ginaraph mo to, tapos ginaraph mo din to on the same Cartesian plane, we're going to look for the points of intersection. So when we solve the system, basically ang tanong lang sa atin, ano yung intersection nitong dalawang ano ba tong first? The first one is, I believe it's a parabola, and the other one is obviously it's a line. So intersection ng parabola at ng line. So actually, pwede manghula muna kung parabola yan at saka line. We don't know. Parabola, x squared to, so it either opens upward or down. So kung upward yan, so yung line mo pwedeng ito. This one is your line. So ito yung parabola. So meron kang 2 points of intersection. Pwede rin naman na wala. You have no intersection. Pwede rin naman na isa lang. Paano yung isa? Dito. Pwedeng isa. So, we don't know. So, let's solve this using the usual way that we solve system ng linear equation. Pwedeng by substitution or elimination. So, obviously, we can solve this by substitution, I guess. Kasi, pwede mong isolve yung y dito, tapos ipalit natin dun sa y dun sa first equation. So, let's start. So, yung second equation, y is equal to 5x plus 1. So, nilipat ko yung 5 sa kabila. And then, we're going to substitute this y dun sa first equation. Yung first equation natin, we have x squared plus 3x minus, now, kita nyo itong y na to, we're going to replace 5x plus 1 dito sa y na to. So, it will become 5x plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. So, pinalitan na natin yung y ng 5x plus 1. And then, we'll simplify natin. So, we have x squared plus 3x. So, distribute natin. We have minus 5x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Let's further simplify. So we have x squared, 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. Minus 2 plus, minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1 is equal to 0. This is factorable. Tama? So we have x minus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. And then x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, parehas 1 ang solution. So, we have x equals 1. Or x equals 1. So, x equals 1. Okay. So, after getting 1, i-substitute natin siya sa first equation or second equation. So, mas madali kung sa second equation na lang. So, we have y is equal to 5x plus 1. Let's try to solve for y when x is 1. So, you have 5 times 1 plus 1. So, we substitute 1 sa 5. So, you have y is equal to 5 times 1. It's 5 plus 1. It's 6. Therefore, the solution is at 1, 6. So, ordered pair yung solution natin. Again, kasi pag sinolve natin yung system, isosolve natin yung point of intersection or points of intersection. So, kasi pwedeng madami. But this case, isa lang yung nakuha natin, which is 1, 6. Now, let's verify whether 1, 6 is the real answer. So, we're going to use GeoGebra. GeoGebra is a free software. Pwede mo itong i-download sa geogebra.org. Free siya kahit saang platform na meron ka. Pwede siya sa iOS, pwede siya sa Android, pwede siya sa cellphone mo, pwede siya sa Windows. Okay? So, yung GeoGebra, meron siyang input bar. So, we can just input the equation. So, ano nga yung equation natin? Equation is x squared plus 3x minus y plus 2. So, we have x squared minus 3x ba? X squared plus 3x minus y. X squared plus 3x minus y plus 2. X squared plus 3x minus y plus 2 equals 0. Now, so we have a parabola that opens upward. And then, let's graph the line. That's the line again. Y minus 5x equals 1. So we have y minus 5x equals 1. So if we're going to zoom in. Yeah. So, actually, hindi zoom in pala. Going to move. Ito, move lang natin. If you'll notice, yeah, there is one point of intersection somewhere here. Now, may tool ang GeoGebra that you could find the intersection. Yan. So, I activated intersect tool and then I'm going to click the parabola and the line. And, again, activate intersect and then I'm going to click parabola and this line. Yeah, you will have A, which is 1/6. Yeah, so our answer is correct. It's 1/6.